563 tayo. Let's go. Ano ba ngayon? Anong araw ngayon? Tuesday? Good that you're good. Robe. Robe. Four. Lobe. May 3-letter words ba? Ano to? Meron bang cobbler? Oh, meron bang, so merong cobble? Oh, what's that? And meron na tayong four. Oh, lobe, lower, and Liz, help me here, more. Last two. What else? Blob. Blob. B. Cobbler. Meron na pala. Club. Bird. Yo.